Bing bing Yahoo. Oh, where did that go? Bing bing Yahoo. Excellent. Excellent. I love you, Gabu. Kanojo Day. Because we didn't do it Friday. I love you, darling. My precious, sweet. I can't even put it into words. My sugar blossom. It is gay. We're gay. Self-love, okay. Right out the bat. You can't tell me to self-love and then put me into deep thought on that and then post what you just posted in the DMs. I can't. I love my sense of humor and I have no shame in it. I absolutely love our sense of humor. God. I can't even show that on Twitch. Oh my god. No. I need like a minute. I need a minute to recover from that. What? You can't. You didn't. I thought you like actually fucking... Also, I got my friend's streaming printing Corn Man. 3D printing a Corn Man. And if he's still going, we're gonna raid him afterward. We'll raid him printing a man made of corn plastic. Okay. What were we working on? Wait, does it build? That's the first question. If it doesn't build, then we know there's something to work on. also have new webcams, and it's improved. Like, it's got a light on it, so everything's like tracking better. Ooh. Sorry, babe. I know, I calculated it, and it's like 1,200 something more pixels. You can see me in so much more definition now. No longer on the devil's number, now on 69.3 pixels. Yeah, let me check. Quality. That says 692. It's not really that. Did it build? Oh, I guess it did. Okay. Well, welcome, Itzen. How have you been? It's been a fat moment. I think I need to look at the tickets. It's too bright. Oh my god, my job has also been stressful lately. I think I'm like maybe a week behind technically now, but I'm like nearly caught up. Yeah, so. Dude, I can't binge watch something that long. If I can't finish it in a day or maybe a weekend, I'm kind of turned off from something. Oh, this thing. Do we really need to do this? Utena. Is that the gay one? Can't cry. Look how I've been so much. Well, I made it halfway through Sakura Trick today. That's my accomplishment. It's very gay. I keep thinking, like, what if that was me and Litchi? Like, this. I think this is mostly server issue. I want to get Attack on Titan done. That's like been my... Because I know it ends A, and B, it is interesting to me. And I've been told it's not a sad ending, it's a happy ending. So I'm looking forward to that. I just need to know if it ends nice or sad. That's everything to me. Oh, or did I do this actually? Well, China seems like it would have a good ending innately, but Crybaby's fucked ending. Only watch Utena first. But Attack on Titan, I heard, has a good ending, so I'm like, oh, maybe I won't hate everything. IDE's got to update. Fuck that. Oh. Crybaby first. So how long is Crybaby? Because I'm gonna be a crybaby. Maybe. I don't do good with sad. I feel all miserable. Well, if it's with you, it's everything is nice though. Sick guitar. Okay, I can live one. I can 10. Only 10 episodes. Okay, yeah, I can make that. I can do that. I can. Oh, wow, Utena. For how much? I can't tell if Utena's popular or if it's just you. That's just posting shit from it all the time. Because even before we like interacted all the time, I would see Utena stuff on my timeline and Twitter, and I'd be like, "Why is all this here?" I'm like, "Oh, it's Gabu." I think that trend went on for like, I don't know, at least 6 months, a year. That's gay. Okay, so if we go to gallery, something doesn't run right. Yeah, that's what we need effects. Okay. Okay. Storage directory. Okay, what's storage directory? I'm able to create no media file. It's this one. Okay. Directory exists. True. Okay. Fun. Of how my hand tracking sometimes likes to work. probably better that way. I think like people have pointed out to me like I will do things when I'm concentrating. Like with my hands or like with my face. That's just like weird. It's probably better you don't see that. Okay, so we're getting this, then it's right here. Okay, so it's failing on create. It could be a permission thing, but I also don't think we want to be. We're pulling from the gallery. Right? I don't want to fuck up with the log. App info. Permissions. No permissions granted. Oh, that's excellent. I see. I turn on storage. What will that get me? Let me crash again. I really have to figure out this permission shit. I don't know, maybe we'll figure that out. I only ever trained myself on the old. Why did I just take? I googled Google. Only trained, but I was only trained informally too. It's all self-taught. Back when I looked up this shit, it was just declared in the manifest. Well, that's right. I need to order my keyboard that I wanted to get. I keep forgetting about it. I keep forgetting with online shopping. Like, I will save a tab and I'll just forget it. But the thing is, like, I am not satisfied with any of the, I like black switches. Red are too soft. Developer permission. So let's figure this out. Oh, request app permissions. There. We could ask this lady, or we could just read. We're intellectuals. We can read. Make it bigger for everybody. Make sure everybody can read it nice and big. Yeah. That looks big enough. Maybe a little smaller. If you remind me after stream, should I order anything else though? I've already spent enough this month, I swear to God. That's all shit I've been like putting off for a while. You declare a dangerous permissions. Request dangerous permissions at runtime. You don't declare any dangerous permissions, or if your app is installed on a device that runs blah 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 or lower, permissions are automatically granted. You don't need to complete any of the remaining steps on this page. Well, I want to run it on everything, so looks like we're living dangerously. We declare the permission that your app might need to request. We did that. Design your app's UI so that specific actions app are associated with specific runtime permissions. Is this the same page? Yes. Ah. Show a rationale to the user. What? Oh, explain to the user why your app needs this permission. Okay. Request the permission to show the system dialog. Does the user grant permission? Graceful degrade your app's experience. If only everyone supported that. I don't even think BarcodeKANOJO would install originally if you didn't have a camera on device. I guess that's how it was on iOS. I remembered I wanted it so badly for it to run on my iPod Touch, and like, my mom was, or no, I was just like, no, you can't do that. Then I was like, Mom, can I borrow your iPhone? I need to use the camera. And then I would play BarcodeKANOJO on my mom's iPhone. I hid it like in a folder. My mom's iPhone. My mom's iPhone has backups. I think it has a shitload of backups on my parents' computer. That computer, though, they were getting rid of it recently. I am going to message my dad. Do you still have the old office computer? I feel like a fool for not thinking of this earlier. It There has to be backups from that time that would have Kanojo data on it. And I have the tools to extract out of iTunes backup. There might be a chance. Okay, my parents have it. I need the hard drive. There might be valuable data in a unconventional spot. That would be essential. Programming project. I mean, it's a narrow lead, but it's better than nothing. I mean, what do we got to lose? Nothing. Just wasting time, I guess. I need titties off of it! I don't understand, Dad. It's for the booba. Oh my god, I was so embarrassed. Like, with BarcodeKANOJO, I forgot how I even found it, because it wouldn't install on my iPod, but I like found the app somehow, and I was like, this looks so cool. By the time I got my iPhone 4S, like, the meme was dead. There was like one like time in like robotics where I launched it on my iPhone 4S, I think. And I specifically remember thinking that the UI looked weird. And it occurred to me now that it occurred to me that it was probably the 1.0 to 2.0 switch. Request permission. Activity result contracts. What the fuck? It has been plugged since I took it out of the plug. What the frick does plugged mean? You might be using speech to text. You check if the user's already okay, wait, oh wait, this is the actual life cycle. I skipped steps because I was going nuts over Kanojo Booba. Okay. That's fine. I just need the hard drive. Swear to God, it's like, oh yeah, I brought the whole tower to Best Buy. I came through the hard drive, then he hands me the optical drive. I'm gonna go. Do you realize what you've done? The one lead I have. The one lead. I swear to God. Gabu, help me remember. When next time I go to my parents. Kanojo. We need to remember. They're gonna want to throw a pizza party and shit. I need to get the Kanojo. The utmost important. I don't like all this context compat shit. It's like, what the fuck? Do we not? Can we not just like? Well, all right. Wait. If it's a part of context compat, then surely it's part of context. Abstract class context. Ugh. And then we're looking for check self permission. There. Determine whether you have been granted a certain permission. Name of permission being checked. Okay. So, for example, we have, since we're essentially doing the permission thing first, since it's sort of a prerequisite. Look at them babes. They're pretty good babes, you know, but Gap is a better one. That should cause a crash, right? Ah! Sorry, Android camera encountered a problem. This is... Oh, because they didn't run it with the tingy. Do it again. I can't believe I completely forgot that I had originally played the app on my mom's iPhone. I just happened to completely forget that detail. I guess it all depends on how the iOS version's coded. I'm not sure how it's coded. I had the theory for a while that it was somehow a universal project between both iOS and Android. I think that less and less now. But it's still a possibility. If it was project, then it was probably gonna be in a garbage place that won't be deleted on iOS. So then that's great. If it wasn't, then the people who made the iOS version could have been competent and not put it in a stupid place where it wouldn't be deleted. Okay, this isn't like... Log in cannot be null. I don't know. What? What? What was no? BarcodeKANOJO? What? I don't know. Okay, wait. Right, so let's go to app info. Take away that. Give it camera. Run it again, I guess. Ooh, and then we go there. Then we have the camera. Okay, so yeah, it's a permission thing. So then... No show activities. No. Setting? No. Base? No. No show? No. Activity. I mean, dashboard activity is part of it. Can't go there. Because it's this thing, right? Yeah, the custom toolbar view. Okay, so custom toolbar view. Okay. What's your problem? Sure, you can make them final. I don't know what context though. That doesn't seem like one that's supposed to be there. I don't like that I have to replace switch statements with if-elses. Like, what is this yandere dev ruled world? Consuming my water too fast. I'm not gonna have enough liquid for any hydrate redeems. What's wrong with you? Oh, we replaced Honey. My god. Alright. Okay, now I'm out of liquid, but I hydrated. How many points do you have? It's gotta be like a decent amount. Change tab for a song. Do I or do I not have to sneeze? Okay, so like what does it like hold the yeah, it's added at API 23. And if we go back here, API 22 or lower. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so we want to check. We still have in context. In context, yeah, we do. Check self permission. Oh wait, we also have to add f build version .sdk int is greater than 22. Right, or actually let's do greater than or equal to. So that makes it more readable. Check self permission. What's this check self permission? Let's just check permission. Perm name, package name. Oh, it's here. Nice. Send me pics of them. The keys, I mean toes, I mean keys. Yeah, send me the pics. The name of the permission being checked. What, I just like putting camera? That's not how that works. I mean, YouTube context. Fuck you. Actually, wait, let me look at that. Yeah, I think it just worked. Huh. Okay. Well, at the very least, this will like cause it to gracefully not work. Hopefully. Should show request. Yeah, I don't know what to give it though. Like, what permission? Okay, so like. Do I put this in? Permissions. Be transparent. When you make a permission request, be clear about what you're accessing and why so the user can make informed decisions. Man, I don't know what half the permissions do. Ooh. Maybe this? Oh. Okay, where's the camera? Oh my, okay. Camera. Camera too. Oh, camera. Manifest dot permission dot camera. This will automatically enforce the uses feature manifest element for all camera features. If you do not require all camera features can properly operate, if Manifest.permission.camera. Okay. Manifest.permission.camera. Okay, so if that equal, I can spell. Okay, so that equals we're not doing this in Kotlin. I'm getting fucking cold. Check self permission. Oh, it does return an int. If you have the permission. Okay, so it's package manager, permission grantor, package manager. Package manager dot permission so I'm pretty sure since it's an int, so I just have to do that. I kinda hate the way this looks. I should go yell. Oh my god, so many people are hosting me. I don't often like look at my like who's hosting me, but who we let me shut them out. Beautiful Goujichi, Merc Ting Ting, Not a Loaf of Bread, and Look a Snap. They're all fun, wonderful people. Last mod action. Homo gay is a permitted term. Yeah. Yeah, homo gay is allowed. Only if you are a homo gay. Oh. Okay, you know, okay, wait. Silence, I'm figuring this out. Okay, so if it's denied, then what do we do? Consult the little guide here. We have to call. That's activity compat though. That's on the activity, that's not on the context. That makes things a bit more difficult. It's a boolean. How do I know if that's true or false, though? Wait, do I really need to show a rationale with a camera when you click scan? I mean, let's think about it. Do we? I don't think so. Click scan, what else are you gonna scan with? Bluetooth? No. She has its own permissions, so. Yeah, I don't know. It's a mystery. Oh no, my food's settling in my stomach and I'm getting the sweet pose. I tried taking caffeine too, no. Okay then, what is the other thing we do then? Request permission. Okay, after the user reviews an educational UI, which is users see a system version now already. Were you allowed the system to manage the permission? What? Why I gotta make shit so confusing? Wait, I'm trying to avoid Android apps. Because that breaks the support library. Allow the system to manage. What? Request? Managing the request code yourself. Excuse me, what? check self-permission. Okay, cool. Action else if should show in context. And directionally ask for the permission. Eesh. Hands are cold. Request permissions. Well, what about... What? Your app's implementation on request permission. Oh my god. What? Ah. Ay caramba. Oh. On request permission or so. Okay. As user responsive permission dialog as well. I don't like this. Activity result one. Is there like a non-Android X version of this? I don't think so. I can check permission easily enough. It's just requesting one that seems to be the difficulty. I'm getting so cold. I might want to go get a blanket. What's the temp out? 45. Oh. Adorable. A girlfriend is posting about me on Twitter. A lot, apparently. Oh my god. Fucking Gabu's Pog channel. Oh god, I'm gonna go get a blanket and more like caffeine or something. I'm probably back in Goblin form. So, yeah. Yeah. No one sleeps in Tokyo. I crossing the line. No one hit the radio. Tokyo is on fire. I made a pot of coffee and I plan to drink it all. Can I just say that Yabu is the best in the world? Oh boy. No SU. Pick me up. Up. Yes. Take me away. Oh wow, that's a cool new like loading thing. I swear to God, that shit's gonna go full circle. That like screams like 80s aesthetic to me. I hate that like my first thought is like, oh, finger tracking. Middle finger. Yes. Let me flip everyone off. That's someone new enters the stream and they just see fuck you. Okay, we're trying to figure out how to request a permission. It seems like there's two ways to do it. There's an easy way to do it with Android X, and then there's a complicated way to do it by myself. Oh boy. But it looks like this is part of activity. That makes things a bit more difficult. So, ooh. Just... Okay. Activity. Android reference app activity. Sip the coffee. fog. Okay. What is request permission? I can spell. You know, we've been on the chill radio for a couple streams. I'm thinking might want to go back to synth. Although there's chill EDM actually. I've been meaning to check that out for a while. Because I like things that typically get categorized as EDM. And if it's chill, then that's kind of like perfect for this, I think. Ooh, that's good. When you make the coffee just right. I have a mystery bag of coffee. I don't even know if it's caffeinated, honestly. Result mode. Added an API 23. Well, it's an issue. It's fascinating because like this problem was like not a problem before. It's just a modern Android thing. Okay, I think I get what I need to do, and the only difference is that this Humble Jumble that's in Android X like does it in one function call, I think. But this does it in two overrided functions, I think. Oh wait, only one overrided function. And application specific request code to match. Application specific request code. That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. Like, why can't you just know what fucking app I'm on? You or requested permissions must be non-null and not empty. This value cannot be null. We're in a view. That's our issue. So we gotta get to the activity, not the view. Which brings up another point because we want to. I mean, that's sort of a feature enhancement shit, though. I don't. What? Oh, I thought that got solved. Oh, I don't know. I still just don't quite know how to get that scope out. I mean, I can do, like, the check for permission shit. I mean, what if I do it in the activity that's running? Not the worst idea, I suppose. I think I'd rather do it before, though. That way, like, I'm not launching an activity that's not gonna be used. But there's no way to have it. Yeah, I just. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna have to put it in the activity itself. Because doing it from the view won't work here. So I guess we'll just copy this. Okay. I mean, this is like by far not how you would ideally code this. You'd use fragments nowadays for this kind of stuff. But I don't know fragments. When I did all my Android shit, it was like back when like I think KitKat was like brand spanking new. That was when I did all my primary Android training. My training, I mean, like I would just fuck around with samples and shit to Kingdom Fuck. I would find every way you could possibly break an app. And I still didn't know a bunch of shit. I just understood how the essentials, I guess. But then the essentials have changed, so it's like, yeah. Okay, so it's then scan activity. Okay. Can I go finish before it's like during on create? Wow. Hand tracker needs to be fixed out. I keep chugging this fucking coffee, but that's just because there's a liquid next to me. If there's any open container of liquid next to me, I'm going to drink it. It's just inevitable. As long as it's tasty liquid, I guess. If it tastes like garbage, I'm not gonna drink it. Alright, so this start. My god, this is not. This is such a kludge. Ah. Kamal. Thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. How are you doing tonight? I think we want to do it before, because that's all just setting up intense shit. So I suppose we would do something like this. So it would actually just be context. How do we get context? Actually, isn't this technically a context? Yeah. Also. Well, for the activity, then I might as well show a thingy mabobber, right? A rationale, I think it was called. We can show this. Where was this? Where was this again? I don't remember. Okay. Okay, I think we can do this way. Simplify this a little bit. Like that, yes. Okay. Ah. Something in my eye. Oh, fuck. God, I'm glad I don't wear makeup. Oh, there's still a half a pot of coffee left. That should disappear. I'm gonna have to pee like a fire hydrant later, though. Okay, so right there, bitch. Yes, I know it's empty. I'm gonna fill it with another if statement. Oh, not with that. It's a big ass fucking function. God, that's an ugly ass function name. What Android version is API 23? It's going somewhere, cheese. It's going somewhere. Yeah, what version is 23? That is Marshmallow 6.0. Hmm. God damn. I'm trying to figure out permissions. Because to really... The main issue that I think everyone's gonna run into now with the icons is going to be the permissions. So I'm figuring out how to do the new style permission requests in on the scan activity, since that's the most simple area for it. Because also I don't think on the current version you need the storage permission to access the cache directory. So that means we can store the icons free of charge, which is nice. But the problem's still a problem. Yeah, they're like words to me too. I don't know what I'm saying, honestly. I hardly understand it myself. But it's certainly... I'm trying. There's like a million functions. There's like this whole life cycle for requesting a permission. It's stupidly complicated. Like, yeah, it has to follow this life cycle, basically. And it's like, what the fuck? Oh my god, I have like straight eyelashes, I swear to god. It's driving me nuts. Ah. I'm gonna get one of the... I'm gonna find an eyelash that's loose and poke my eyeball one of these times that I pull. I swear to god. Just like lightly like tug it and why is this like loose in a way? Oh, it's bugging me. I think I might have gotten it actually. It's no longer itchy. Yeah. Your BlueTube adapter. Oh no. I remember I got some. I think I prefer my. Oh yeah, it got upgraded actually. I no longer. My webcam is no longer running at I think 600 pixels. It's now running at 1080p. It also has illumination. And that also helps with my hand tracking because my hands are lit up now. So, yeah. Upgrades. We're upgrading. So my hands still do that sometimes, but there's less times where my randomly reach for booba that aren't there. Okay, if an show in context UI, oh boy. We can only go up from here. We can only go up. I swear to God, I want to strangle this thing sometimes. I'm gonna take this tiny little box and go reach around its small little neck and go just fuck. Try talking. I don't know. In sign language. Y M C A A. I don't know sign language. It's fun to stay at the Y M C A A. They got everything for a young man to enjoy. You can hang out with all the boys. Young man, are you listening to me? I say, young man, who do you want to be? I don't know why, but I like religiously listen to that song for like a month straight, like once a day, and like God, I don't know. It is a good song. It's catchy as shit. It does. It fucking slaps hard. Alright, show in context. What's in context UI? You quit me doing this YMCA. Nice. Are you listening to me? I say, young man, who do you wanna be? You can actually see me like adjusting my hair now. It's not. I finally have my hair long enough to like get like all of it back into a ponytail, and now I have like a haircut tomorrow, and I'm like, I can't. There was one time I went on a date with a girl. It was a terrible date, by the way. But, ironically, my hairstyle was hooked, like, set up the day. Oh. And this girl had, like, long as fuck hair. I want you to give me a peekaboo. Do it. I will totally let you do whatever you want to my hair. I think that's where, like... Okay, my best way to explain it. It's, okay, so you know, like... Kill a Kill? She has, like, the red there, but, like, the black here. Yeah. I think that's what a peekaboo is. It's like having, like, the under part a color, and then, like, the top's, like, still, like, your natural or a different color. Ryoko Matoe is the only example I can think of. Yeah, it looks so cool. The folks boozing my food. There's a better one. Oh shit, yeah, stalking. Actually, stalking is like a better example. If you're streaming, make sure you have safe search turned on. Yeah, stalking's a much better example. I mean, yeah, I like went here and then I had it like off, and then it's like border, 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 border. I'm like, oh. Okay. I see how it is. Yeah, seriously. I'm gonna put that on. I like don't give a shit what I look at usually, but it's like, oh wait, I like stream now. I can't just. Sometimes I think like maybe I should make a separate account on my computer for streaming, but that's like, oh, I gotta set everything up again. Okay, so this thing, what is this? Okay. But I have like shorter hair, so like Ryoko Matoe is almost like more what my hair is. Okay, I don't even think this is a real fucking function. Explain to the user why this permission. There actually, you know what? There is a way to show a pop-up. How do I do it? I don't know. That would be a thing to find out though, I would think. Yeah, how would, it's like, maybe we don't need. I feel like we should. Whatever. Yeah, oh, it's like include a cancel or no thanks, but it's like, do I have to? It's gonna say like, accept or deny anyway. Alright, question, is this a base activity extended function? Yes, it is. Go to declaration or use. Because I'm pretty sure that that has shit. Pretty sure base activity actually has like pop-up stuff. Take user get code, show alert, show alert dialogue. Show notice dialogue. Oh, fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, cheese. Fuck yeah. Use them as you see fit. Don't fucking... Oh. It's the best I can do. Somebody end me now. I'm gonna redeem something that I'll regret. I already got like 5,000 points for the era. Oh, fuck you, Connor. You fucking lurker. Or maybe you're saving up for the V-Roid model. Well then do it, coward. I almost dropped one without it being redeemed. Actually, I like ready to my throat for it. I was like, oh no. Those cost points now. You can't just drop those on the fly. I'll give you an hour. Yeah, hour is free. Okay, I think I want to use this actually. Like show notice dialogue. Okay. Additional requests get redeemed. Actually, Litchi, self-love, I love how good I am at doing ara. How's that? Is that bad? Why does Goblin mode look so squished? What'd you do to Goblin mode? What the fuck did you do? Did you squish? Oh, did you do the modify emote? Wait, let me see. Oh, it's normal for me. Look how I like this squished one. I thought it modified it for everyone. That's no fucking fair. That's not fair. Ignala squished my emote. Oh, wait a minute. You don't have a... Are you a sub? Oh, wait. You can spend points to unlock emotes, can't you? Yeah. Not even I know the intricacies of... whatever. No, don't squish me. I will get taller. Let's look at the smoke bitch behind me. Yuri. Alright, so if I... show notice dialogue. It's gonna yell at me for doing a direct string, I know it. I don't know. Camera permission. Is that how you spell permission? Needed. Feel like, oh, that is how you spell permission. To scan Kanojo. To make this actual string. Yeah, okay, that works. Okay. After the user responds to the system permissions dialog, well, request to become default handler administering test runtime revision. The system. Wait. Oh, that's if I do that. Oh no. Do I have to go pee? I might. What did you just send me? fuck did you just post? What the fuck did you just post? I am taking this pot of coffee. I'm gonna pour it. We're gonna all look at what Gabu posted. And we're gonna determine if it's a good post or not. I'm not shaming you. I'm just saying. I'm just loving your sense of humor, honestly. Because I would totally I would send you the exact same thing if I had this on the ready on your stream. I would fucking send this to you in a heartbeat on your stream. I'm still trying to figure out what the fuck this... I'm going pee. And I'm not giving it to you, Gabu. We might be girlfriends, but I'm not giving you my pee. It's a sacred fluid. Go to the bathroom. You're shitting yourself. No, I'm not giving it to you either, Cheese. You talking about the I have stupid shirts? No one's getting my pee, by the way. No one has access to my pee. It's reserved for the toilet coon only. The pee is a sacred thing. I mean, you can have my toes. But only you. No! You... Goujichi doesn't matter, Ara. Let's get my magical goblin urine. Nobody. It fucking was pretty fucking stellar. Oh my god, I like fell to the floor. I was like, oh. My girlfriend's so cute. Gabu? Yeah. Gabu's got it. We gotta get Gabu a fill. Like what was it? Like half my friends have had the issue where they don't have enough, they get the views for affiliate, but they don't have enough followers. And the other half of my friend, then me and Snack were like, we have plenty of followers, we just don't have views. So it's like, what the hell? I mean, you're popular, kid. But also, I had to explain this to Snack, but when you first come out with streaming, you have an initial boost among your friends, especially if they know you're going for affiliate. Because like I noticed this, and I think the reason I got affiliate was because of you, Gabu, because I think your group of friends came to my stream and boosted me up, basically. But I think it's more of a artificial boost. Not like a literally artificial boost, but I think it's more of a... It's something that will fade with time, basically. And so when you get a new friend group, which Snack like did like I think like twice during their time streaming, it took them to it kept that momentum going, so they frequently had a bunch of viewers. Yes, thank you for everyone who views, whether you're paying attention or not. Like, or just the chill area, or the chill Gabo stream. I think I need this one. Yeah. I'm gonna copy paste. Okay, so yeah, but because Snack was like complaining, like, yeah, I have no, my viewers are like kind of like, there isn't as active chat anymore. It's not, I'm not having like the numbers I used to. I'm like, oh my god, yeah, Cheese, you've been here like diehard longest. Like, seriously. Once in a while I see other people that came in around your time For the time you showed up, like ooh, Megumin is one. I think there was another one that hung around. I read Goblin Fetish and almost spit out my fucking drink. Oh yeah, there's this request code. What the fuck do I give this? Yeah, I don't know what the fuck to give it for a request code. Maybe it's something I should Google. No, it has to be like some... I think it said it has to be a unique number. I'm trying to think who else was like... I feel like it started with a J. Itzen came later, but I like Itzen. There is another J that watches me. Oh, Red Death. Red Death also showed up around the time you showed up. Jeez. And Red Death usually shows up like once a stream and just says hi. And I don't know where they go. I'll never forget the one guy. You had to be brave. You're just welcome to hang out. I would always look forward to when you showed up, Abu. It's like, ah, friend. It's a little different when like someone you know in real life shows up. And I guess I haven't met you in real life, but I consider you like real life friend. Oh yeah, you gave me one whole bit. Thank you for that. You're still up there. There, yeah, look, there you are, up there right now. Absolute cheese, $1.69. And one whole fat coin. And then there's Cliff afterward. I haven't seen Cliff in a while. I can't. You don't even need to give me anything. This int though. Yeah, I think it like requires at least $1. I think there's like a fee or something. Yeah, I think Streamlabs takes a cut. Well, there's I think no matter how you like give me money, someone's taking a cut, which is fine. Someone's gotta eat. It's whatever. You know, you notice I don't have a donation goal anymore. Because after one. What? An anonymous gifter gifted a tier 1 sub to Cheese. Thank you, anonymous gifter. And Cheese, I better see a fucking thank you. You better thank whoever did it. even though you don't know who they are. It's a nice thing to do, Cheese. Oh shit, that means I have 5 subs now. Oh damn. I need to like get a set of emotes going. I've been meaning to like work on it because I want to like at least attempt to do it. So I have like Snack and I have Gabu and they're like, oh, I'll make you emotes. I'm like, but I want to try to make an emote. An anonymous person comes and says, oh, geez, what a good boy. He has a free sub. And she's just like, that shush. She's just a rat. Move in all directions. Yeah, I need to know what the... When checking whether you have a permission, you... What? Oh, I already did that. Contact Scrapper? What the fuck? I didn't know what this request code is! Should be greater than or equal to 0. What is it? Okay, self-love, Alright, I hydrate. Damn it. People taking care of me. I hydrate first because it's easier. God, you fucks. You absolute fuckers. I don't know. Oh my god, I can't believe you people. You're gonna like send me to aerobics, I swear to god. Alright. Posture check. Stretch. 2 self-loves. No! Can't think of that many. I love, Okay, I have to do self-love first. Okay, I love my commitment to those that I love. How's that? Alright, there's one. I love my computer skills. I love, I love my creativity. I love you too, Gabo. I love you so much. Alright. Alright, that's okay, self-love's done. Okay. Alright, I gotta. Wait. How's that one? Was that one good? Out of 11. I'll take it. I'll fucking take it. Oh god. Whoa! Whoa! Okay, allow this. Okay, wait. Allow the system to manage the permission request code. Oh. Yeah, why is that just not built in? 9 out of 6 perfect score. I don't know, 6 out of 9 might be a perfect score. Ayy. I hate it when my hands don't work. Ayy. I need like the chest clip. Yay. Love you. I want to smell you. It's true. Smells very important. I don't have public filters. I can't contain it. Why'd they have to make it so simple if you use Android X? Can't they just build shit into the system? There's always gotta be like extra shit. Can't wait till we have to like convert this app to Fuchsia. That's gonna be fun. They're gonna have. I can't wait to see how that works. Because I don't think Fuchsia runs off of like. I think Fuchsia's like primary language for compilations like Dart or something. It's not Kotlin or Java. I forgot when the release, like, expected, like... Did I make a limit on that, at least? God, I can't know. I made it intentionally without a limit, so I couldn't be... I could be tortured. I love how fat my cock is. No. That works for you? Alright then. Hello, fat my cock is. There we go. Alright, what do I get from this? I like hate libraries. I just don't like using libraries. I try to avoid libraries if I can, yet they're like, Android's like, please use our library. I'm like, I don't want to use your library. No, I don't. No. I would hate you if I could whack you upside the head. That's not what I meant. God, you're like my brother or something. I actually like libraries. Just don't go to them because it's like I used to go to them all the time actually in college. Because in my college's basement there was sections on old programming architectures and languages. I would just read about these ancient fucking languages that no one would code in. I think I actually like have a old thing like from 19. It's like a 3-ring binder thing, and I found them loose leaf in a trash somewhere, but in order still. And I was like, shit for how to do Agall or something. Good luck with your Minecraft or what the creeper grow you up. Wait, what does this do? Add composable? What does that mean? Component activity. App compat. Okay, yeah, there we go. That's the kicker. Repo. Aw, man. I just. It's like, why? Figure out myself. Surely there's some sort of unique identifier for the app, though. Right? It's an integer. Like, what do we got? Just do like, L dot. Okay. Why? Why? Why is it like this? Isn't how you make something convenient for someone? It's like, just put a fucking number in. Shit. Like, wait, what happens if I don't put in a good number? What if I just put in 10 and something else has 10? It's like request code. Okay, what the fuck is request code? Permission request code. Why is this switch? What? I'm going to figure this out. Do I have to? I drank a whole pot of coffee. Yep, I drank it all. Hell yeah. That's how we stay awake. That's the real programmer way. So... when we do request permission, we only give it one request code, but when we get it back, we get multiple request code. Oh, we get one request code. Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay. On this mess. And this marker. Okay, well, wait. First we need to determine. I feel like this needs to be like values. Can I make like an ints thing? So you have like dimensions, strings, public, cross, styles, codes. It seems kind of like a waste though. Okay. Why is my phone buzzing so much? What? Oh, damn. Snacks put me in, like, poppy chains. Seems fun, though. Alright, what's a cool number? 69! What? Explain this to me. Expected 2 arguments, found 3. What? Right, request permissions, right? It said. Context. 1, 2, 3. That's 3! Request. Huh? Huh? Why you like this, Android? Why you do this? Why are you like this? Okay, so yeah, I guess it is 2. I don't know. What's your problem? Huh? Why not? Yeah, that'll do it. I'm gonna just say, oh, I hate it when shit's formatted like this. I don't know why. Actually, when I would, well, I mean, I guess we are on a larger font. Alright, when case is 69. Hell yeah. I think then we start capture activity. I think I need to put this like here. Yeah, I think it's start capture activity. Else explain that it's not available. Don't link the system settings to convince your user that they should change their mind. I love that that's there. 'Cause I think like shit used to... God, I remember like Facebook was so determined not to like update their shit. Like there was, okay, so like it only applies, right? This new permission thing if you target a certain like API level. And what Facebook was doing for the longest time is they were purposely targeting a lower API level so that they would just get all their permissions accepted at like install time. And then like, I think as a direct result, like Google straight up was like, we're making it a requirement that you at least have to target this version. Otherwise we won't let you like publish in Google Play. And then I think Facebook was like, alright, you got us. We'll comply. I remember when they had like started making like the light versions of Facebook and Facebook Messenger that were basically just like actually optimized versions. And then if you installed it and had certain internet speeds, it would be like, you don't need this. You should use the real one. I'm like, no, Facebook. I want to use the light one. Because I know you put a bunch of extra bullshit in those things. I don't need to play games in Messenger. I don't need you to track everything I do. No, that's not what I went up there for. Show notice dialogue. Yeah, that's what it is. Scanning function. Scanning functional functionality. Will not be available. Okay, I think this will work. There was like, I remember reading into it at the time when Facebook was like refusing to like update the permission shit, because I was like vaguely working on Kanojo and this issue came up in. And I was curious about it, so I looked it up, like, because it's a good idea to like have like runtime permissions that require like you to explain to the user and whatnot. And yeah, Facebook was like, I then looked into what the Facebook app does, and it was basically, it set up shit to run in the background, and it got microphone permissions for running in the background. So it, and I mean, if you read, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna read the terms and service and whatnot of the app. Read into it. I swear to God, I remember reading somewhere, it's like, we have permission to record you in the background of your phone and use that to better provide you advertised services. Did Roni1820 just follow me? Thank you for the follow. Oh. Damn, Streamlabs, you be slow. What the hell? Thank you for the follow, Roni1820. How are you doing today? But yeah, I'm pretty sure that's how it worked. The Facebook app. Yeah, I was like, Facebook was the reason I didn't go Oculus from the get-go. I don't trust Facebook. Yeah, I explained it to like my English writing class. I'm like, yeah, I'm a computer science major and I have like done Android shit. If you have an Android phone, it is 100% listening to you. Unless you like go into settings and disable the microphone permission specifically. Same thing with location. And then like, I think like Facebook got a lot better on it after like Mark Zuckerberg had to testify in front of Congress about the bullshit. I will never forget that the like question the congressman asked him, like, would you mind telling me what hotel you stayed in last night? And Mark's like, yeah, I would mind. I do not want to tell you that. And then the congressman said, I think that's what this is about. Most everyone would agree they don't want just people to know where they slept at last night. Yet Facebook will gladly take that information without telling you. On shadow profiles on people that don't even know. Yeah, that's another. Facebook is like seriously like it's, and the thing is that the people there who work there are kind of delusional in believing that it's only a good thing. That's where I think their issue is. They're like too high spirited about the idea of appealing to advertisers. Like, we want to provide targeted ads because that's what you're looking for, right? We want to help you find the products you want to find. By collecting excessive amounts of data that could be taken advantage of at some point, and then was taken advantage of. Yeah, like, and what was it like? They found out that like Facebook and Instagram were like saving passwords in plain text. They weren't actually encrypting it. It's like, oh my god, how dumb can you be? And that was like until recently. I think that was like until 2018. They were storing passwords as plain text. Yeah, I don't think I think we can test this now. Alright, so I'm gonna go out here. App info. Permissions camera. Turn off that. Okay, check. Make sure we build properly. Yeah, I know we user override deprecated functions. It's sort of the nature of the app at this point. You can only like try to circumvent that so much. Arm, do you mind? Alright, let's run her. Okay. So if we click scan, Nothing happened. Nothing changed. What the fuck's Davy? Okay, what the fuck? I know you failed to open the camera. But I should, it was in the on create. Or maybe we can't do that during on create? We have to do this in on start? I think we have to do start capture activity in on create. What? Good do be getting late. Alright, I'm gonna run this in debug once, see if anything's obvious, and then we'll call our quits. Otherwise, funky alien jams. Debug, run. Come on. Come on. I'm gonna have to look at that later, Gabu. Or, I don't know. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty fucking good. Yeah. I like that. That's good. That's a good one, dear. Damn, the debugger really does not want to launch today. Not sure why. What the fuck's wrong with you, debugger? Come on. What's the holdup? What is the deal? Debugger, I swear to God. Just work. Please. Please just work. Are we going somewhere? Hey! There we go. What is... Quick scan. Okay. Oh. 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 Okay, so something's up. Okay, so it does do its job. At least kind of. Yeah. I think it's a good stopping point for the night. Okay. Then who we fucking raiding? Can raid Ernie Barguckle. He's 3D printing a corn cob. You're gonna have fun looking at his 3D printer print a corn cob. Wait, I'm gonna tell him before. Wait. Oh shit, how do I spell Ernie Barguckle? There we go. Yeah, go say hi to him. I'm sure he'll, I'm sure he will appreciate it. Alright. Bye-bye now, everyone.